subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of Redmi 8 smartphone as Redmi 9. And recently, the upcoming smartphone key specifications and a live image showing the rear panel of the phone has spotted online. According to leaks, the Redmi 9 will feature a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, and it is said to come with a centrally aligned hole punch design that will house 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will support a vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top center under the circular ring, including LED flash and a fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The quad rear cameras will include a 13-megapixel main camera accompanied by 8-megapixel secondary plus 5-megapixel third and 2-megapixel fourth camera. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage. The phone is expected to pack with 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. And apart from this, there is no other details of Redmi 9 has leaked so far. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. As per the Vietnamese tipster, the Redmi 9 will be priced under $150. And he also said it will be cheaper in India and China, but didn't reveal the pricing for these markets. And the phone is reported to launch on June 25th. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi 9 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.